This video demonstrates the correct procedure for setting travel limits on an automatic technology easy roller opener. Remove the control panel button cover. Note the close limit light is flashing, indicating we need to set the close limit first. Press and hold the close button. If the door goes open, we need to press the operate button for a second. And now continue on, the door will have changed direction. Bring the door to the closed position. We can also pulse very close to the ground, and just in pulsing the close button, bring it to a precise finish. If you have overdriven, you can use the open button to drive the door back open again. When you are happy with that position, press set. Now we need to set the open limit. Drive the door to the desired open position. Once again, before the fully open position, you can pulse the open button to get more precise limit setting. And if you have overdriven, you can bring the door back down with the close button. When you are happy with that position, press set. The opener will now profile, measuring in those 3 cycles the force required to lift and lower the door. The limits on the opener have now been set. Now it's time to run the safety tests to test the close cycle. Press the remote button to open the door. Place a piece of timber, 1.5 to 2 inches high, on the floor, directly under the door. Close the door. The door should strike the object and reopen. This concludes this training module. Automatic technology. Smart, simple, secure.